450 centimeter cube of carbon monoxide and 200 centimeter cube of oxygen are mixed together and ignited. Calculate the composition of the resulting mixture. So this is this question of from the Lusac's law. So how can we solve this question? So first of all we have to write the chemical equation for this. So in this question we can see here written that carbon monoxide and oxygen are mixed together and ignited. That means carbon monoxide is going to react with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So carbon monoxide plus oxygen will give you carbon dioxide. Now the second important thing is that we have to see that whether the reaction is balanced or not. So here we can see here one carbon, but as here 1 plus 2, 3 oxygens are here, but here we have only 2 oxygen. So we have to balance oxygen by multiplying carbon monoxide by 2. So from the right hand side we also multiply the carbon dioxide by 2. So now the reaction is balanced. 2 carbon, 2 and 2 4 oxygen, and 2 to the 4 oxygen. Okay, so all the reactants and products elements are balanced. Okay, now the important thing, according to Gay-Lussac's law, what does Gay-Lussac's law tells us? That when gases react, they in the volume, their volume bears a simple whole number ratio, okay, to one another. Okay, so first of all, what is this ratio? So this number which is before the element is nothing but the ratio. Okay, so this number we have to write over here, 2 into dash. Now this dash, this place, this fill in the blank is for the volume. Okay, now is to 1 into, if nothing is written over here, that means it is a 1. Okay, and is to 2 into dash. Okay, now the total volume of carbon monoxide is given as a 450 centimeter cube. Okay, so here we have to write 450 centimeter cube. Okay, the volume of oxygen is also provided over here, that is 200 centimeter cube. Okay, 200 centimeter cube. Okay, and they are asking us to solve this question for the final composition of the mixture. Okay, final composition of mixture means whatever the left unused reactant and formed product, both volume you have to find. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. Now how to solve this question? You treat this like 2 into x is equals to 450 centimeter cube. Okay, now so x is equals to 450 divided by 2, so x is equals to 225. Okay, the most important thing is that this in this fill in the blank we have to put one value, and throughout all three blanks the value will be the same. Now if I put 225 over here, so it's okay, 2 into 225 is 450. But what about here? If I put 225 here, it means 1 into 225 is equals to 200. Okay, that does not support, okay, which is not viable. So what we have to do over here, that this is not possible. Okay, so what can we do? What else we can do is that we can put over 200. So why we are putting over that 200? So beta, just because 1 into 200 will give you 200 and 2 into 200 will give us 400. Okay, now the thing is very simple, ki here oxygen is limited. Okay, the demand was earlier, the demand was for 225 cm, that is centimeter cube. Okay, but oxygen was not able to fulfill that demand as it was in a lack of quantity. So what we did, we multiplied all the numbers by 200. Okay, so if I am putting over here 200, then I have to put 200 over here also, and here too. Okay, so now we understood. Okay, now the important thing is, now we got our answer. The volume of carbon dioxide formed is 400 centimeter cube, that is 2 into 200 will give you 400. What about the left carbon monoxide? That earlier we had 450 centimeter cube of carbon monoxide. Okay, and we used 400 centimeter cube of carbon monoxide. So left carbon monoxide is 50 centimeter cube. So our final answer should be volume of carbon dioxide is 400 centimeter cube and unused and volume of unused carbon monoxide is 50 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the first question from the Gay-Lussac's law. I hope you understood.